BigMailer Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to BigMailer are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best for, and how well it performs. BigMailer is a cloud-based email marketing platform designed for agencies, startups, and businesses that need scalable and cost-effective email solutions. It stands out for its direct integration with Amazon SES, allowing users to send high-volume emails at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional ESPs. The platform supports bulk email campaigns, transactional emails, and automated sequences, making it a versatile tool for various email marketing needs. The drag-and-drop email editor simplifies campaign creation, and there's also an HTML editor for advanced users. BigMailer offers built-in email list management with automated suppression, list segmentation, and tagging, which helps improve deliverability and engagement rates. One of BigMailer's key advantages is its white label solution, making it a great choice for agencies managing multiple clients under a single dashboard. The multi-brand support allows businesses to manage separate email lists and branding without switching accounts. Another strong feature is automated email compliance, ensuring campaigns follow CAN-SPAM and GDPR regulations, reducing the risk of deliverability issues. BigMailer provides detailed analytics and reporting, including open rates, click-through rates, and bounce tracking, helping users optimize their campaigns. While its reliance on Amazon SES provides cost savings, it also means that users need to set up and manage their SES account, which can be a bit technical for beginners. However, for those comfortable with it, the savings are significant. Pricing is one of the most competitive in the industry, especially for high-volume senders. Unlike traditional ESPs that charge based on the number of subscribers, BigMailer's pricing is based on email volume, making it an ideal choice for businesses with large lists. However, its UI is more functional than polished, and support is primarily email-based, which may not be ideal for users needing instant assistance. Overall, BigMailer is an excellent choice for cost-conscious businesses and agencies that require a scalable, high-volume email marketing solution. If you're looking for an affordable Amazon SES-powered platform with powerful features, this is one to consider. Check the links in the description for more details.